Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Right now is a big thing, Jamaica. It's a big thing, a big deal. Right now, more big up coffee on the 19th and have a Grammy under our belt. Yo, big up coffee straight. Trust me, man, this is a good look coffee. Up, up, up.
Blessings, everyone. Thank you so much. I'd first like to thank all the producers and everyone who helped to make Rapture what it is today. I'd like to pay my respect to Julian Marley, Steel Pulse, Sly and Robbie, Morgan Heritage, for all the input that they've made in the reggae industry and in the music. I've learned a lot from them and from other older people in the industry, and that's why I'm here. That's what brought us all here. So I just want to say that this one is for all of us. This one is for reggae. This one is for Jamaica. Thank you very much. Blessings.
Can't ball in a life, man. Go on with it, but go on with it.
Yo, Izzy, are you kidding me?
To us, yeah. So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we not rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for me